kaya ako, guys. Ang hirap. Hirap. Yes! Ito na, nagbabike na kami, guys. And sana okay itong shot ko. Woo! So, di na kami nag-avail ng helmet. Kasi medyo hassle eh. Tapos, wala lang. Okay naman kami. Sanay naman kami mag-bike sa streets. So ito, andyan ang mga kapatid ko sa likod. Yan. Ah, saya! Uwi na kami bukas. Kaya sulitin na namin to. Diba? Buti na lang na-training tayo ng one hand. Ang saya, guys, grabe. Kailangan ma-experience nyo to. For 1,150 baht, 3 hours. Wow. This is so amazing. And sabi nila, pag gusto nyo mag-CR, na-try daw nila yung best nilang makahanap ng maayos na CR sa community. Tapos meron ring break, like iinom ng drinks or mag-snacks daw para masuportahan na rin yung stores dito sa community. Ang galing, di ba? Kaya ang ganda ng tourism ng Thailand eh. It's okay. Sakalam. Kaya niyo pa? Buti na lang may bike for our bike. Oo nga. No, it's okay. It's okay. Right? I got scared. Oops. This is amazing, guys. Grabe, oh. Wow. May feel mo talaga. Amazing. Tapos yun, mag-ingat daw kasi may mga aso. So, be vigilant. Hindi naman kami takot pero wag naman sana. Ang ganda ng Vespa. Ay, iba yung Vespa. Yeah. Hanggat kaya ko pa, mag-film ako.
Sige, kaya mo yan.
Oo nga eh. Sanay na sa ano eh. Intramuros. Ayan.
Kamay ko nga, lagi na sa brake eh.
Ha?
I mean, yung daliri ko, naka-ready sa brake always.
Ah, hala, di ko yun na... Oo nga no, mas convenient yun. Sige.
Maganda yan.
Yun, sabi ni Shana, i-ready nyo yung isang hand nyo sa brake always. Lalo ako, na naka-one hand. Kaya nga, yung sayo, Nay. Ang sayo naman. Wow, ang ganda ng mga motor, boo. Yay! Grabe, see the real Bangkok nga daw. Amazing, nakaka-relax to. Oo nga eh. And tingnan nyo, may street food dito and may cafe. Ay, para may kita. Oo nga eh. And may kalahi ka dito. Ay, oo nga eh. Sorry. Hi kayo. Say hi. Hi. puti yan ay eh. Pero nag-record siya ay na naka-red.
Kita yan, kita yan. White naman siya eh.
Oo. Wow! Okay, sa ganitong part pala tinatago yung mga area na ganito. Ah. Sorry. Babaan ko na onte.
Yan.
Nga siguro nito bukas kasi naka HB.
Oo.
So kahit magalaw ako,
Oo.
angas. Oo. Three hours na papawisan tayo, guys. Sobrang saya. Sabi nang nasa front ko, natakot daw siya kasi nga ang kitid ng mga nililikuan. Yun nga. So, hindi ko na videoan kanina pero yung mga kasama namin taga Holland, USA, and Bhutan.
Akala ko kasi doon tayo sa dikdik madadaan.
Hindi.
Dito pala.
Diba? So, streets talaga ito ng Bangkok. Angas. And again, dalawa nga yung tour guide. Nasa harapan na yung isa.
Drink pa rin pa ng kulate.
Oo, tuloy-tuloy. Tingnan nyo, ang ganda ng mga establishment parang hindi to ka talaga eh. Ang ganda oh, mga traditional houses. Grabe, ang angas. Ay wow, may libro pa dito. Small turns nga. Wow! Grabe! Sobrang see the real Bangkok.
Dami nangyari ng araw na to.
Kaya nga. And suggestion ko mag-shades kayo and sombrero.
Totoo.
Yun. And sunblock syempre. Sunblock sa face, saka sa body. Ganito na lang guys, baba. Cross the road daw.
Cross the road.
Are you sure?
Snookers, I don't think I could do this.
Mauna ka.
Mauna ako ah. Sige.
Amazing. Tuloy-tuloy ko pa. Siyempre, hindi ko naman kaya i-film guys yung buong 3-hour ride. Wow, stop over kami. Ang cute, o diba?
So you guys, you will see that. Did you observe that the bicycle no bell? Because we remove it. We have the tour every day, and many people in the groups. We are going to the community. We riding past the local people houses in the small alleys. If you ring the bell all the time, the people they will annoy. Ring 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 ring. Yeah, but you can try to say hello to them in Thai. You know how to say? No, not ขอบคุณค่ะ
สวัสดีค่ะ
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 Yes, take it, yeah.
ขอบคุณ
ขอบ
ค่ะ
คุณค่ะ ขอบคุณค่ะ is say thank you
ขอบคุณค่ะ
ขอบคุณครับ yes take water please thank you water please
And kwento ko guys, so may isang kaming kasama na hindi na niya kinaya. So pwede yon kung di nyo na kaya, dahil sobrang kitid ng daanan. So kung di nyo na kayang ituloy, pwede kayong magsabi. Be honest, kasi ituloy nyo and ma-feel yung may mangyari sa inyong masama.
I just want to explain you we are in Chinatown already and welcome to Chinatown. Yeah, but you know the Chinatown is that not only here. You can come in the Chinese. Yeah, it's quite big. They have two zones, living zone and shopping zone. We are still in living zone, living area over here. The people that who live here, they are not Chinese at all. No, they mix with Thai citizens, like half Thai, half Chinese. Also, the people Burmese, Cambodian, Laos, Vietnamese, they are working together and live over here, and they speak Thai very well too. Yeah, and the area that we riding past before, you will see the people they working, the black oil on the street, the big engine. The people they work with the car spare parts. It's a recycling area over here.
Nice.
Motor recycle. The
Nice.
engine from the truck, from the car, from the long tail boat. Yeah, when the car broken, the people from everywhere in Thailand, they will come here in this area. They will looking for the second hand of the car. It's the biggest one in Bangkok. We call Siam Gong. Yeah, Siam Gong. Yeah, you will see a lot of the car spare part, auto part right here. Yes. Yeah. And after this, we will go into the shopping area of Chinatown. It's a quite busy area, crowded area. The people they go there for shopping. We will see what are they doing, what are they eating, and what are they selling there.
Nice.
Alright. Shall we?
Gitang bata. Ang dami ko ng tubig, guys. Yo, may free water pa. Part siya ng package nyo na binayaran. So, nakakatuwa nga kasi talaga nagkikwento sila kung ano yung ganap dito, di ba? Sa Bangkok. So, yeah. Let's go sa go. Yeah. Yay! Ang ganda! Wow!
You guys wanna take a picture?
Yes!
I can help. We riding past so many temples today. You know we have 4,000 temples in Bangkok.
Wow!
In Bangkok,
Wow.
in whole Thailand, 50,000.
Wow.
Yeah, because we are Buddhist country and a lot of temple, Buddhist temple. Yeah. The picture in the middle right there, you will see the picture of him everywhere. He is the king of Thailand. His name is Washira Rongkorn. Yeah, the people they will decorate his picture along on the building, hotel, school, hospital, airport. Yeah, everywhere. The Thai people we love the royal family. Picture time, I will help. You can stand in there. I will help you guys for take a picture.
Video. Can you take us a video? It's for our vlog.
Oh, alright, yes.
Kami na lang? Oo. Kain dalawa. Hi! Dito na kami.
Ganda.
Wow.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
It's very hot today.
Yes. Ano bu? Oh, nandiyan na siya? Nice. Kaya may tinawagan kasi siya kanina. Sabi niya nasa Chinatown na daw. Oh, nag-assume. Pero yan, nagbi-video na ako ulit guys kasi Chinatown na to. Ayun, para makita nyo rin talaga yung ganap. Wow, may mga mura na palang bilihin rin dito. Oo, pero na sobrang linis. Nakakatuwa kasi na-feel talaga namin yung pagkatay. Ito na! And sa mga nagtataka kung bakit ganito ka-stabilize yung camera. So shout out sa DJI Philippines, sa MOA, Mall of Asia. Ay, wow, di ba? Baka naman. Baka naman, di ba? Medyo mahirap pala dito pag naka-shades. Ay, hindi, kaya na. Ito na. Kaya na. So, DJI Osmo Action 3. Yung gamit namin ngayon na setting ay naka 1080 60 bu, di ba? And horizontal balance. Kaya kahit sobrang galaw ko, yan. Hindi ako sobrang magalaw. Dapat pala matutunan namin ano excuse me sa Thai. Yung mga basic. Ay. Yan yung babalik kami dito ulit. Parang pag bumalik kami dito, gusto ko pa rin itry ito. Ang saya eh, ayun no. Whee! Quiapo. Guys, sa Quiapo tayo ngayon. Quiapo. Maingay talaga brake ko. Okay, matindi na to. Kasi nasa road na talaga kami. Oh my God, Chinatown! Woo! Wow, angas!
Wow, nice!
Wow! Parang dito lang dumadaan yung Grab and tuk-tuk. This is amazing! I love this ride! Ganda ng Chinatown nila, guys. And grabe, marirecommend ko talaga tong Covan Quezon, promise. Parang ito na yung favorite ko dito. The best! Favorite kong araw dito. Ewan ko lang yung mga kapatid ko. Iba-iba naman kasi kami ng personality, pero magkakasundo kami. Wow!
Solid, ang ganda nun.
Diba?
Ano yun, ang ganda.
Sana maganda yung shot ko po. Sana maganda yung kuha ko.
Yung motor daw.
Motor. Wait. Grabe, awas. Buti na lang nag-ano kami, hindi kami maikling kasuotan na shorts. Kasi ano ito, nagaganito kami ng paa. Ayun o, tingnan nyo. Suggestion ko lang, syempre may mga bag tayong dala. itali nyo yung bag nyo. Parang ganito. Ayun o. Hindi to basta-basta nakalagay lang dyan, guys. Kaya ko to. Yan. Yeah. Ito yung mga nasa harapan namin. Wow, balik na naman po tayo sa Eskinita. Yan.
Bigat naman ako.
Nang,
Ng harapan, puro tubig kasi.
tapos may Gatorade pa. Medyo pang balance naman siya.
Lang ako sa mga
Tandaan. Oh, saya! Sobrang needed to ng brain namin, magkakapatid, and body and soul. Heart, mind, and soul. Alam niyo yung city siya, pero di siya nakakailang. Diba? Ang linis kasi. Well, tayo naman rin may mga ganitong parts eh. Ay nako, yun na nga. Sabi na ate ko, kung April namin to ginawa dito sa Bangkok, sobrang init nun guys. Kaya suggestion namin, mag-travel kayo ng June, ganito. And pinaka the best talagang weather, December to February. 3 years ago, February kami nag-tour. And malamig-lamig siya. Ito carry naman, pero yung tingnan nyo, tan na kami. Saya? Okay naman kayo?
Yeah.
Wow! Saya! Gusto ko na mga ganitong pangyayari sa buhay. Woo! Try nyo rin to guys. Kaya nga eh. Yung kahit hulas na kami, alam ko, pero F na F namin. Woo!
Hindi nga masakit sa blood yung ano.
Hindi.
Buwan.
O diba? Ito, one hand ako guys. This is so fun!
Hindi na lang lahat tayo marunong magbisikleta.
Yun nga, ayun, sabi ni Shana, buti daw lahat kami marunong magbisikleta. Advantage talaga yung mga kaalaman na ganito para dagdag adventure sa travel. Yan.
Dahil saya. Kaya nga ma-enjoy nyo to.
Nina?
Ate Ruth.
Kaya nga eh. Ay, sasabak niya si Sinag sa likod, pwede. Nakita ko eh. Saan ba titingin? Sa kanan.
Road!
Premium Pops. So, cafe ko yan. Cafe Pops. Whew.
ไปได้เลยป้าแม่เขาอยู่ได้
Wow! Kaya nga, honestly, hindi namin to ginagawa sa Philippines. Pero nagbabike naman kami, hindi lang ganito ka-extreme. So, ang saya. Kasi syempre, ibang bansa to, kahit sabihin yung same weather, iba talaga yung language, culture, and yung aura ng lugar. Diba? Nandito na kayo sa Thailand, so try nyo to. Yehoo! And yun, another, baka naman, gamit naming tatlo ngayon ay World Balance shoes. So, sobrang comfy ng World Balance. Bumili kami sa Festival Mall. Oh, shout out, World Balance. World Balance Festival Mall Boutique. Ayan, papakita namin later. Siyempre, mas okay talagang naka rubber shoes kayo na pang sports pag nagbike dito sa Copan Quezon. Meron kasing mga ibang foreigner na naka chinelas. Eh, iba talaga guys na komportable kayo sa kasuotan ninyo.
Wow, ganda.
Ganda, no? Try ko best ko ipakita. Connected sa Chao Phraya, guys. Ang saya-saya. Wow. Ah? Oo nga, sa Saturn Pier to na eh. Wow.
We are finished China. Busy always, yeah, always busy. Yeah, we can say bye bye Chinatown. See you later.
Bye,
And if you
China.
want to buy something for souvenir, I recommend you go there. You will get cheap price. They sell like wholesale market. A lot of stuff, lot of products in Chinatown. And in the evening, the main street of Chinatown, there will change to be a street food. The best street food in Bangkok. If you want to try street food, pad thai, papaya salad, dumpling, Chinese food, dim sum, mango sticky rice. Also, if you like to try insects, you should be there in the evening. They open 5 p.m. until midnight. Yeah, when finish the tour, if you're still hungry, you can walk from the office like 10 minutes because it's that like 1 kilometers. Yeah, from the office, 10-minute walk. Yeah, this is a skyline of Bangkok. Everyone, is that picture time as well. Yeah, can give me your phone, your camera, can give to Snooker. We will help you for the picture. Thank you.
Hi.
Hi.
Say mabuhay.
Buhay.
It's like sawadika.
สวัสดีค่ะ
Yeah. At the picture.
1, 2, 3, go.
Yay. Thank you.
This is Chao Phraya River. Everyone. Now the water
Yes, Chao Phraya River na to, guys. Ang
to
cute.
the sea. Go to the cruise
Ah,
of
sige.
Thailand.
Ah. Excuse me, miss. Can you take us photo?
Okay. Can you go a bit further there, please? 1, 2, 3. Yeah, one more. 1, 2.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Wow! You're a nice photographer. Wow! Ito na yung Saturn Fair, nalala niyo yun? Nag-Wat-Paknam kami. Ayan. Cute nila, oh. Let's go, Zago! Sulitin na natin tong Bangkok. Hanggat kaya ko mag-film.
Haba niyan, pero okay lang.
Panoorin mo lahat po, ah.
Okay din yan.
Di ba?
Di ba tayo dito sa Makay?
Dito nga yun.
Ay, ito ba yun?
Ah. Ah, may aso, oh. Okay, this is the real Bangkok, guys. So, ito rin yung area ng Southern Pier nga. Ayan. Daming tuk-tuk. na lang may action camera kami. Shout out kay Papa and Mama. Thank you Mama and Papa. Love you. Dahil sa kanila, nagkaroon kami ng DJI Osmo Action 3 camera. Kitang-kita nyo naman na kanina pa ako magalaw, 'di ba? Pero grabe, stabilize pa rin to for sure. So, ito na nga, tutuloy-tuloy na kami. Pili ko naka 1 hour na kami. Naka 1 hour na ba tayo, Bo?
Siguro. Sobra tayo na to.
Ah, hindi. Magti-3 pa lang. Ito yung start ng tour namin. So, ang haba na nga ng vlog na to. Pero siguro ayan. Try ko mag-shot na hindi ako masyadong sasalita. Parang di ko kaya yun. Pero sige. Para meron kayong perspective na katahimikan. Ito na. So, nasa palengke kami, guys. Yan, palengke area na to. Yan sila ate at no box spices. Excuse me. Oops! Oh! Ah. Sorry ka. Upo ako guys sa spices. Ayun bango, onion. Nagulan ako sa lane. Sorry. Grabe guys, the struggle is real. Natatawa ako sa video na to. Grabe, ito pala yung palengke nila guys. Ang galing. Gayahin ko na nga sila. Laloka ako.
Ginaya ko na din.
Yun nga eh. Si ate rin ah. Ang galing.
Ganda.
Ganda diba? Grabe. Nasa Bangkok talaga kami.
Wow.
Wow. Ano bu?
Temple daw.
Ah. Tamang-tama nga na nakapants kayo guys. Pero depende rin sa inyo eh. Yung mga biker kasi talagang naka-shorts. Kung saan na lang kayo komportable, kami sa pants. Hello. ito yung gusto nila, atis. Wow. Wow, mag-uwi kayo, Nay. Di ba chili yan? Ah, hindi, flower ba yan? Ah, bulaklak. Kala ko chili. Naka-shades kasi. Sorry, mali. Itsura kasi chili. Joke time na naman tayo, guys. Mali. Yung color kasi. Hindi ko maangat yung shades ko kasi dami ko ano eh. So, ayan. OMG! Wait lang, hirap. This is amazing! Kaya nga eh. Wow! Ang saya! Grabe guys, try nyo talaga to. Promise, sulit na sulit yung bayad nyo. Woo! Ang ganda! Chao Phraya River! Woohoo! Grabe, ang bilis na. Nasa harap namin, hinihingal na kami. Whew. Kaya pa.
Pagkain na dapat nasa break.
Oo nga. Woo! Hindi ko siya marinig pero pupunta daw kami doon. Wow! Sobrang sulit yung bayad. Nice.
Ako din eh.
Ano? Ako rin eh.
Dadaan dito.
It's a inhaler. It's made from herbs, eucalyptus oil, camphor, and smell. Just give you the smell, please. When you know when the weather too hot, I feel dizzy,
Oo nga, ang ganda.
headache, sometimes
Hong Thai.
migraine.
Bango.
It can help me. Some people when they have the fever, they use it for clear nose.
Yeah.
Can I take a picture of it? I want to see.
If you want to buy, you
Yeah.
can find at 7-Eleven.
Oh, it's 7
But you have to looking for a Hong Thai brand.
Okay.
Thai brand because so many fake one, same size, same
okay.
color.
This brand.
Yeah.
Thai.
Wow.
My friends.
Wow. Yeah. Is it
Smell.
cheaper in Chatuchak?
How much in Chatuchak?
Yes, cheaper than 7-Eleven.
I don't. No, I think maybe Chatuchak expensive because it's a tourist tourist area, like touristic area. 7-Eleven all the same price. 35, 40, not sure. 35, 40. I bought it quite long. And
How
can
long does it last? Long time.
Long time,
Yeah.
2 years.
Oh wow.
Wow.
But actually, it will be lost before. Yeah. It's not
You
tiger
touch it
balm.
or no?
No,
Okay.
it's not tiger balm. Tiger balm is like a oil
yeah,
for
yeah.
massage, but this
Yeah.
one not. Yeah, just for smell.
it.
That's it. We will take a look how beautiful, how
ako niyan.
big of the
Bibili
Buddha.
ako niyan, guys.
That's the other group.
Kasi other group.
Ay, nag-record ko pala.
Nirecord ko kasi yung ganda eh.
Ganda nga.
Saka 3:30 na.
I want to tell you about the candles here. When the people they go into the temple, they don't have the candles or the incense stick with them. The temple they prepare outside. We came from the backyard of the temple. In front of the temple is that way, and the people just donate like this. See. Oh, อะไรหล่นอ่ะไอ้ปลอกนาฬิกานุกเก็บให้หน่อย ขอบคุณค่ะ thank you ขอบคุณค่ะ this one and when you go into the temple you want to make a wish you want to light the candle you also can do is that possible but don't burn from the candles you have to burn from the lamp that the temple they prepare if you burn from the candles it means you share bad luck bad energy from that person direct to you that's not good you have to burn from the lamp here and then you can make a wish yeah some people they come back to the temple to offer some kind of things some food some fruit maybe they make a wish and the wish is come true yeah they like say thank you to the Buddha I don't know for someone
Ang galing naman.
Yeah, shoes off, please. Let's see how beautiful of the Buddha.
Can we take video, no?
Yes.
Ah, okay. Thank
Allow
you.
to take pictures and video.
Para sa kasi umabot ako, grabe. Wow. That is so beautiful. This is amazing. Okay, I'm done. So, pinauna ko sila ate, pero may kasunod pa ako yung isang tourist guide and kasama naming tourist from Bhutan. Okay. Oh my God, kinabahan ako dun ah. So, baba daw ako kasi ganito kakitid guys. Sikita nyo? Dahil inaayos yung ano ba to? Barricade? Ano ba? Sabog na. Yun, ang maganda sa tour na to, sa 1,150 baht, meron na kayong drinks. Diba sabi ko kanina sinusuportahan nga yung locals. So, hindi kayo yung mismong bibili, part na yun ng budget na 1,150 baht. And then may food pa sila bibigay mamaya, mga snacks daw like chips and rambutan. Wow, di ba? So, sobrang saya namin magkakapatid. Ang saya talaga dahil first time namin matry itong Koh Phan Kessel and di namin na-expect na ganito kalupit. Nakita nyo, grabe, super chill. Chao Phraya River. Ayan no. And it's around 4 PM na. started at 2 p.m. exactly at 2 p.m. So, tatahimik muna ako para ma-enjoy talaga natin ito. Ako na.
Unahin mo kasi hindi kami makuha sa bag.
Ito na. They're back. Naunahan ko na sila. Kaya pinauna nila ako. Pabalik na kami ng office, main office sa Coban Castle Tour. So, dami nyo talagang malilibot for that trip. Ayan, balik tayo ulit sa streets ng Bangkok. Ang ganda naman ng street na to. Wow, nice car! Ganda naman nun. Oo nga no.
Kaya nga eh.
Wow, nice car. Hi! May mga pusa dito guys, kumakain ng sili. Tayo na tayo po sila.
Grabe, no? Flyway sa nila sa
Nako, good luck.
Sorry.
I think you should throw
I'll
it.
put it down at the bottom.
Ah, yes.
You can pack the bike.
Let's get some, we take a break.
Oh. Here? Sobrang init guys, and meron ring mga pahinga area. Ayan, may pahinga area kami.
Summer is a little less than this, but winter we have
I have this. It's a rice cookie
Yeah,
with
wow, that's
caramel.
nice.
With
Nice.
caramel. I'm waiting for our sisters.
Wow.
Keep it with you first for the refreshing time. Maybe you need to clean your hand after the fruit.
Ah, okay, rambutan.
Yeah, rambutan. That's okay. That's okay.
Ah, so, wala sa Pilipinas to guys. Totoo. Ayun o. Snow. Alcohol free. Nice. Aloe vera extra. Wala siya sa Pinas. How come?
แต่ร้อนมากเห็นไหมพี่บอกแล้วแดดมันส่องตรงเนี้ย
My face.
Thank you so much.
Hi, hi, hi.
Thank you.
Ate.
พี่เดี๋ยวพี่
Nice one.
very kind. You guys, before you eat, you have to take the hair out first, one by one.
Yes.
Rambutan, take it please.
Mm-hmm.
Put and open.
Ito yung rambutan ng Thailand. May rambutan rin sa Pinas.
Ano kaya lasa nito? Yung difference, no?
ร้อนอ่ะน้องคนเนี้ยพี่บอกแล้วว่าร้อน
Nice.
Something pretty big.
Unggoy ba dyan?
Aroy.
Aroy.
Ako naman bubukas ng oven. Okay.
Aroy.
You guys get it? It's also nice.
Rambutan.
Nice for purple.
Sige, buksan mo na yun.
You know everything. You want to add some chips?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Like that.
อยากเลยหนมมาถามเขาดิว่าไม่หนมหรือเอาไหมลูกถามคนอื่นเลยพี่ยังไม่ได้ถามพี่ยังไม่บอกเลย
You want to add? No, flavor, this one. And then barbecue flavor.
Thank you.
Nice one. Oh, alas 4 na pala. Oh, nice.
Ano naman ito? Isang buo talaga?
Oh! Ang laki nga eh. Mas malaman nga yung sa kanila eh. Yung sa atin ang payat. Hindi nga, real talk. Oh. Kamusta? Rambutan.
Nasaan damis?
Tamis, diba? Saya. Init, grabe. Gusto ko ito matry. Medyo pareho sa atin do.
It's okay if you do next time.
So far, kamusta naman ang ride?
Sobrang saya.
Diba?
Recommended.
Ang dami naming free guys. Ito may free pang face towel, hand towel.
Samahan nyo ko
Okay.
din. I'm pressured.
Tawa-tawa. Ayan. Iba't ibang nationality. Kita ko yung free.
If you do this 4 times, it'll be 200.
Pressured ako guys.
Kaya mo yan. Nga no?
If you like it, you can take it. Everyone can take it.
Try one, no?
We have one more.
Yes.
Ah, meron pala. Thank you. Sa'yo na.
Ah, sige. you.
For you, 3 of you.
Ah, no, it's okay.
No?
Thank you.
Yeah, for a towel.
Sige, sige. Gusto ko yung isang plastic. Pauwi mo sa akin. Diba? Oh, feel na feel.
Who wanna get anything else? More drinking water or something else?
We're good. Diba? Tropa na kami.
Tropa na kami dito.
Saya. Sa videoan natin. Yan. Dito sila bumili. Hi! Wow. Ito yung mga tinda nila, guys. Ito yung kumbaga sari-sari store. Parang old Bacoor na. Old Imus.
Ang bago nila guys. Parang ako sa probinsya.
Yun. Pero Bangkok pa rin to.
Sultan City no? Parang bango.
Ganun ka bango ang hangin.
Puno. Merong actually hindi nga smelly talaga. Hindi nag-stay sa katawan mo.
Oo, kahit sa palengke.
So, grabe guys, ang pressure ako. Mga katabi ko, puro dito eh.
Tawa-tawa. Say hello, hi! Bye-bye!
Naka-record yun?
Ah. Whew. So, tapos na kami mag-break time. I think 15 minutes yun, 15 to 20 minutes. Oops, may motor. Grabe, bakit? Nagmamotor yung bata, may gulay.
10 taon yung bata. Eh, pili ko mga 10 years old.
Parang 10 nga lang, galing niya.
Parang all.
So, yun na nga. Hindi ko sure kung tama yung pagkaintindi namin, pero mag-ride daw kami ng boat.
Oh, ferry.
A ferry. Pabalik sa Covan Kessel office.
Kita na ba sila?
Kumanan. Dito. Bilis naman ng mga to. Ayun oh. And dyan, merong
Kotse ah.
marami kaming temples na dinadaanan. Grabe. Sakto talaga na tinaon namin to itinerary na to sa 6th day kasi bukas uuwi na kami. Kakaloka. School. Kung ganun rin. Sa tingin ko, ano? Ha? Okay. Thank you. Ayan, pabalik na kami. Sobrang sulit talaga to, guys. Ilang beses ko na nasabi to. Ilang beses na namin nasabi. Pero yung suggestion ko lang, itaon nyo tong itinerary na to a day before kayo
May kotse.
umuwi.
Yun.
Feeling ko kaya ko magmotor, guys, kasi parang
Kaya yan?
hindi ako takot sa ano with cars, pero di ko kayang mag-car. Weird. Ang galing oh, legit biking lane to.
Pwede natin sa mapupuntahan kung dapat lang.
Hindi talaga na eh. As in, wala. Hindi.
Bumaba sila.
Ay, may doggy! Parang si Ayu. Kulang na videoan. Oopsie! Ingat. Sa tingin ko tamang-tama yung 3 hours. Medyo na-feel ko na yung pagod. Wala, nafe-feel ko na yung witness ng aking right hand.
Sa ano? Kanan. Oh!
Oo, nakita ko na. Kinakabahan ng ate namin. May temple pa dito. Daming temple dito, grabe. 50,000 temples ba naman sa buong Thailand? Ilan pa lang napuntahan namin yung mga major temples. Nakangilabot.
Entrance class, angas.
Dito kami. Bakit? Bakit?
Okay naman. Action kasi natin siya eh.
Hala, dandan! Whew. Wow. Wow, dadaan na naman ata kami sa bridge type. Diyos ko, nakakasabayan namin mga motor. Ang angas. Woo! Saya nun ah. Mga pet ko adventure eh. Careful. Bilib ako sa tourist. O, di ko naman kaya yun. Di ko naman needed yan, guys. Wow. I mean, sa tourist guide. Wow! Girl from nowhere. Ito lang girl from nowhere. Ay, may motor. Bili po ako sa tourist guides dahil ang dami nilang alam na way pabalik dun sa office nila. Papunta and like round trip. Tapos kinento niya sa amin ng break time na hindi daw nauulit yung rota nila. Yung rota nila, yung journey pa iba-iba daw. Depende daw talaga sa sa tourist guide. Hindi sila yung isang map lang. Kasi kami, may red team kami. Merong ibang team. So may ibang team na okay. Grabe. Kaya mo ate? Ang galing ni Sir taga-Butan. Wow, ito na. Ferry pair na guys. Hindi ko sukat ang, Parang wala to sa na. Hindi ko sukat akalain na ito yung iti-take namin. Grabe to. Kaya mo buo? Pinutin mo yung brake.
Unang bot na, ate.
Excuse me. She can't do it, my sister. Buhat may bag na. Sige. Oh, wow. Go muna ate. Grabe, the struggle is real. Thank you. Here. Saya. Superb. Ito ako. Wow. Finally. Sobrang init. As in. Ayan. River City na yun, guys. Nandito na kami. Wow.
yung long ride.
Seryoso to?
Yun lang pala, Nay. Ah,
That's fine.
From sure, right?
Thank you. Kakayanin ko, guys. Wait ko kayo sa top. Oo. Ako pa ba, Nay? Hindi ko yung mga ngati. Dahan-dahan, Bo. Inhale, exhale. The struggle is real. Grabe. Akala naman namin sobrang layo. Nilipat lang kami. Tinawid lang kami, guys. Literal na tawid. Tumawid sa katubigan. Oh.
Alright, selfie guys! Thank you for the good ride.
So everyone, the office is around the corner here. Alright.
Oh, nagbabayad yun. Time check, it's 5:05.
5-5, no?
Yes, saktong-sakto. Pabalik. Hindi nga siya saktong 5 na tapos, oh. Binigyan pa kami na ilang oras. Minuto. Sabog. So, sobrang saya. Sulit bayad ever. Ito na nga, the anchor of arts and antiques. Oops. Diyos ko, yun lang pala. Ang galing! Audi. Nakabalik na kami at 5:05 p.m. Finally, we're back. Thank you so much, Hoban Kessel. Wow. We had so much fun.
You want to know? Or not?
Yes, that's my thing. Thank you.
You're welcome.
So, tapos na ang aming tour.
And hope you guys enjoy the tour and our service. If you have a nice picture, nice video, don't forget to share your experience to use by TripAdvisor, Facebook. Talk to your friends what happened around you today. Have fun with snooker, with Sandra, and you can see your picture from hashtag See the Real Bangkok or hashtag #KSL. Yeah, and we wish you guys have a wonderful journey in Thailand also. Yeah, when you fly back, have a safe flight as well. Or if you happen to go into Chiang Mai, we also have Kovan Castle at Chiang Mai. You just tell them you did in Bangkok already, show your picture today, or just tell our name. We offer you 10% discount. Yeah, and for today, Snooker and Sandra, we both would love to say thank you very much.
thank you. Thank you so much.
Enjoy the tour today. If you're thirsty, you still can get some drink, but the bottle you have to return here, please. The restroom, happy room is behind the office, outside first, upstairs and left. If you need any advice, we stand by right here.
Thank you. Bye-bye. Thank you.
Nakita yun. Nakita yun. Taga-sugat ako, guys. Ayan. Napaltos. Sakit. Hindi siya mangyayari. Tapos, nung hawak ko tong DJI, biglang parang nag-slide. Sabi ko, shucks, ang sakit. Parang paltos sa kamay. Pero happy ako na ito lang. Yan, sa right hand ko. And sana nag-enjoy kayo sa vlog na to dahil first time rin namin to nila ate.
Wow, saya. Grabe.
Ayan. Hindi ko alam kung gusto magpa-vlog ng mga kasama namin pero nandun naman sila.
Mga eh.
Oo, feeling ko naman game sila. So, thank you so much for watching and please share nyo ito. Sabi nga na Copan Quezon, i-share nyo daw sa mga friends nyo.
Yeah.
Yung ganap dito. Try nyo rin. Again, 1,150 baht. Ang daming ganap, diba? Sobrang sulit.
Yeah.
Just don't forget to put sunblock and mag-shades kayo. Magpayong kung sensitive kayo sa sun. Dahil ang init talaga. But, ayun, tingnan mo, oh, hindi. As in, non-stop. Unli sila sa ganito.
Yes.
So,
Bye-bye.
Bye ka ate. Pagod na siya. Bye-bye. See you sa aming next vlog.
Bye-bye.
Thank you for watching.